I have to say, with off the plan units, I've never sold one for less than what it was purchased for on the Northern Beaches. They do very, very well. Today, I'm at the Belrose collection, Northern Beaches, Forest area, Belrose collection it's called. And guess what? They're going to be finished in Q4. Now, the units we got here are sitting at 165, almost for a 3-bed. It's like a bit of a hybrid, has a 2-bedroom in this massive third area. Can't call it a bedroom, but it's a bedroom. So it's a really, really cool area. Now here, the crane's still up. That's going to be finished by Q4 this year. And the people that I've been here talking to today, we've had a really busy open house that we've just finished. The people that we've been talking to today, local, strongly local. They live in Belrose, Frenchs Forest, Forestville. They are in a house. They've been in the house for 25 years, 20 years. They're nervous. They don't really have another option or many options of where they can actually go, but they love the area. They brought their kids up in the area. The grandkids are coming to visit them. So they want to downsize. They don't want to do the yard. The people I just spoke with then have a big caravan so they can go for 6 to 9 months around Australia, but they want somewhere to call home and they want a base. This is perfect. So you can see the floor plans, very good floor plans, a beautiful design. And I've got to say, absolutely breathtaking with how the developers executed this. Probably one of the best finishes that I've seen on the Northern Beaches with apartments. This is like a finish I'd normally see in a $4 to $5 million apartment, and it's available for 1.65. We've got 2-bedders, we've got 3 bedrooms, we've got almost like these luxury villa townhouses in here as well, which is sitting around that 255, 265. If you are interested, let me know. The Belrose collection is very unique to the Northern Beaches. It's held, most of the buyers in here have been local, so it's been held in very high esteem and locals, because they just can't get a good unit in this area. It's sort of very, very rare. The area doesn't really have zoning for units, so it's very, very rare. Some of the best features as well, Woolies is across the road, and the whole Glenrose Village inside there. It's beautiful, it's modern, and it's there. So people that have affectionately lived in the area, in the forest area, again, Belrose, Frenchs Forest, Forestville, they can stay in the area and downsize and still have all that village surround, friends and family around them. So guys, if you're keen, let us know. This is an incredible opportunity. The finishes are amazing. Give me a call, I'll take you through it, or I can send some information out. Or if you know any friends or family that want to do the downsize, finding it hard, they don't want to go to DY, they can't afford, or don't want to go to Manly, they want to stay in the forest area, this is a super rare and super high luxury opportunity that you got. Love ya, see ya, bye.